back to the Elementor add-on. So to build a consistent WooCommerce product layout in Elementor, XPRO Addon gives you many free dynamic WooCommerce widgets. In the last video, we styled the Woo product title and Woo description widget by XPRO Addon, and today we will focus on the WooCommerce product image widget. Since this Woo widget is dynamic, it automatically fetches the correct image and gallery for each product and keeps the same styling across all your products and grid. So let's style it up. First, make sure to install and activate the XPRO Addon and XPRO Theme Builder plugin. Both are free. So in XPRO Theme Builder, come to the page where you are designing your single product layout. Now, drag and drop the XPRO Addon WooCommerce Product Image widget onto the page. As soon as you drop the widget, it will automatically pull the main product image along with the gallery image that you added behind in the WooCommerce. So these images will show here like this while you're designing the layout in the theme builder. But when you preview it on your actual shop page, it will appear properly as a product gallery that users can interact with, like this or maybe this. Anyways, let's get back to our singular template and style it. So go to the Style tab. First, you get these controls to adjust the width of your image. Using this, you can control how much horizontal space your product photo takes up in your layout. Next, you see this max width setting. It restricts your image from becoming too big on large screen. For example, if I set the maximum width for my image to 40, let's publish and see this. Now the image becomes smaller and it will not grow bigger than this size, even if the screen is large. You can also adjust the height of the image based on your layout. With this, you also get the object fit option like fill, cover, and maintain, so you can control exactly how your product image adjusts within the given space. For me, the default height looks good, so I will keep it as it is. Now come to the thumbnails. So these settings will not be noticed here in the editing mode of the singular template, but if I move to the live product page, you will see the effect of these settings on these thumbnails. So for your understanding, let's say I give it a random height, select any option here, and add some spacing. Now I will hit publish and go to the live product page. So you see the thumbnails have adjusted themselves based on the height and the spacing I gave them in singular template. So to see the final result, you will always need to check the live product page. That's where all your thumbnail setting like height and spacing actually comes into effect. For my design, these settings on default works fine. So I will publish. And there you go. So this is how you can style your WooCommerce product image and the gallery to match your design. Now that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one where we will set up the Woo product price widget by XPRO Addon.